In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed in Canva. Embedding lets you bring live content from the web straight into your design, so you can display things like web pages, videos, maps, forms, or other interactive elements without leaving Canva. It's a great way to make presentations, proposals, and documents more dynamic and up-to-date. Start by opening the project you want to work on in Canva. Once your design is open, look to the left-hand side of the editor. You'll see the main toolbar. Click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps all the extra tools and integrations that can enhance your workflow. If you don't see apps right away, make sure your editor panel is fully expanded, or scroll down the sidebar until it appears. Inside the Apps section, use the search bar at the top and type the word Embed. When the Embed option appears, click it to open the Embed panel. This tool is designed to accept a link from a site that allows embedding. The key here is to use a shareable or public URL, because private links or pages that require sign-in often won't load inside your design. If your link isn't working, double-check its sharing settings on the original site and make sure it's publicly viewable or set to anyone with the link. Now, paste the link of the content you want to embed into the field provided. After you paste, Canva will typically generate a preview so you can confirm you've got the right item. If the preview doesn't appear or shows an error, try a different format of the link from the source site, such as a public share link. When it looks good, click Add to Design. The embedded item will drop directly onto your canvas, just like any other design element. You can click and drag to move it, pull the corners to resize it, and position it within your layout. Keep it large enough to read or interact with, especially for presentations. If you're preparing a file to share or present, remember that the embedded content often needs an internet connection to load live data. If you plan to export as a static PDF, the embed will appear as a static frame rather than an interactive element. That's all there is to it. Open your project, go to Apps, search and select Embed, paste a valid public link, and click Add to Design. With just a few clicks, you can enrich your Canva designs with live, interactive content and keep your audience engaged without jumping between tabs.